In this video, I'll show you how to accept a shared album on iPhone quickly and fix it if it's not showing. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the For You tab at the bottom. This is where your iCloud shared album invites appear. If you see the invitation, simply tap Accept, and the shared album will instantly be added to your library. If you don't see the invite, here's what you need to check. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then go to iCloud and select Photos. Make sure Shared Albums is turned on. Now go back to the Photos app and check the For You section again. If still not showing on that folder, then check on the albums. Click on the top left Add icon. Click on that and click on Share Albums. Then name it and click on the Next. After that, click on the Create. That's all. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID that received the shared album invite. That's it. This is how you accept a shared album on iPhone and fix the issue if it's not showing.